Want to cook smarter, not harder? These clever Amazon kitchen gadgets are designed to simplify your routine, speed up prep time, and make every meal feel effortless. From innovative tools to space-saving helpers, each one adds a touch of genius to your kitchen. Check out all the gadgets featured. Links are in the description below. Meet the little crab that keeps your kitchen tidy. This adorable silicone utensil rest gives your spoons and spatulas a safe spot while you cook. Its non-slip design keeps counters clean and handles steady, even during your busiest meal prep moments. Made from BPA-free, heat-resistant silicone, it's tough enough for stovetop or grill use. When dinner's done, just toss it in the dishwasher and let your helper rest too. Who says you need a big kitchen to have sparkling clean dishes? This mini countertop dishwasher does all the heavy lifting in a tiny frame. It runs on a built-in 5-liter tank, so you don't even need a water hookup, just fill and go. 6 wash programs handle everything from baby bottles to glassware, and the 360-degree dual spray reaches every corner. With high temp washing and air dry mode, your dishes come out spotless and ready to use. Breakfast just got a major upgrade. This 6-cup egg poacher lets you make perfect eggs every single time, soft, medium, or hard, without the mess. Each cup has a non-stick coating, so your eggs slide out effortlessly. The stainless steel body heats evenly and resists rust, while the Stay Cool handle keeps your hands safe. It's easy to clean, dishwasher safe, and works on any cooktop, even induction. What if you could make hot, homemade soup faster than takeout arrives? This smart soup maker blends and cooks your favorite ingredients all in one go, ready in under 18 minutes. With 6 preset programs, you can whip up smooth soups, chunky stews, smoothies, and even milk-based recipes. The stainless steel build keeps it durable and sleek, easy to clean and perfect for quick, healthy comfort food anytime. Bring the backyard barbecue indoors with this electric Searing Grill. It locks in flavor with sizzling heat up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you perfectly juicy steaks, burgers, or veggies no matter the weather. The non-stick grill plate keeps food from sticking and pops right off for easy cleaning. A built-in window lets you watch the magic happen while it cooks. Flavor, convenience, and zero missile in one grill. Making dumplings doesn't have to be tricky. This 2-in-1 dumpling maker shapes and seals perfect pockets in seconds. Just press, fill, and flip. You can use it for dumplings, empanadas, ravioli, or hand pies without any mess. The smooth food-grade design is easy to clean and beginner-friendly. It's a fun, fast way to create homemade treats with family or friends right in your kitchen. Ever wish you had an extra hand while cooking? This automatic pan stirrer does the job for you. Just place it in your pot, turn it on, and it keeps sauces, soups, and gravies moving so nothing sticks or burns. The nylon legs handle heat safely, and the motor runs quietly while you multitask. It's like having a tiny sous chef right on your stove. Cooking for 1 or 2 just got way easier. This smart mini Hotpot can whip up noodles, soup, rice, or even porridge with a tap of a button. It heats fast, shuts off automatically, and even keeps your meal warm when you're not ready to eat yet. The non-stick pot makes cleanup a breeze, and the included steamer basket lets you cook and steam at the same time. Cooking just got smarter and cleaner. This glass oil sprayer lets you choose between a precise pour or a fine mist, giving you total control over how much oil you use. Whether you're grilling, baking, or dressing salads, it keeps things effortless and mess-free. The clear glass body shows you exactly how much is left. You'll cook healthier, cleaner, and with zero greasy hands. Pouring out pasta water without losing a single noodle? Now that's smart cooking. This clip-on silicone strainer snaps right onto any pot or pan, so you can drain with one hand, no bulky colander needed. It's flexible, heat-resistant, and fits securely on different sizes of cookware. When you're done, it cleans up in seconds and takes almost no space in your drawer. Simple, safe, and super handy. Running out of counter space? These collapsible cutting boards are pure genius. They fold flat when not in use, then pop up into a sink or colander whenever you need one. Wash veggies, drain pasta, or chop ingredients all using the same tool. Perfect for small kitchens, RVS, or camping trips. These space-saving boards make cooking and cleanup so much simpler. Tired of juggling multiple appliances? This digital air fryer does it all. Air fries, bakes, roasts, dehydrates, and even rotisseries your favorite meals. The large viewing window lets you watch your food crisp up, while the 17 preset modes handle the hard work. It cooks faster than a traditional oven, uses almost no oil, and fits enough food for the whole family. Truly a kitchen game changer. Tired of juggling bags of rice and beans? This rotating food dispenser keeps your grains neat, fresh, and right where you need them. 6 clear compartments store everything from lentils to cereal, and the 360-degree base lets you spin and grab with ease. Just press the button to release the perfect portion into the measuring cup. Sleek, organized, and mess-free. It's the pantry upgrade your kitchen's been waiting for. Flour everywhere? Not anymore. This silicone kneading dough bag keeps your kitchen spotless while you mix bread, pastry, or pizza dough. Just add your ingredients, tie it up, and knead right inside the Bagnio's sticky hands. No mess. It's heat-resistant, non-toxic, and easy to clean. You can even use it to marinate meat or make purees. Simple, reusable, and surprisingly fun to use. Say goodbye to countertop chaos. This 3-tier over-the-sink rack turns dish drying into a space-saving masterpiece. Plates, glasses, and utensils all get their own spot, while the clear cover keeps everything dust-free. Made from sturdy carbon steel with non-slip feet, it holds steady even when fully loaded. Stylish, durable, and smartly designed, it keeps your kitchen organized without taking up an inch of extra space. Meal prep just got lightning fast. This 10-in-1 vegetable chopper slices, dices, and shreds everything from onions to carrots in seconds. With 8 interchangeable stainless steel blades, you can switch between styles without missing a beat. The built-in container keeps your counter clean, and every piece is dishwasher safe. You'll spend less time chopping and more time enjoying fresh, homemade meals. Small but mighty, this mini cleaning mop is ready for quick cleanups anywhere. From kitchen counters to car interiors, it tackles spills and stains with ease. The squeeze handle lets you wring it out one-handed, and the sponge head soaks up water like a champ. Its deep grooves lift dirt in seconds, leaving surfaces spotless. Lightweight, compact, and easy to store, it's cleaning made effortless. Who says you need a campfire for gooey s'mores? This tabletop s'mores maker brings the fun indoors. Plug it in, grab your marshmallows, chocolate, and crackers, and roast away no flames, no smoke, just deliciousness. The electric heater toasts marshmallows to golden perfection, while the divided trays keep ingredients organized. Easy to clean, safe to use, and perfect for cozy movie nights or family fun. Dinner's about to get a serious glow up. This 9-in-1 air fryer doesn't just crisp, it roasts, bakes, broils, and even proofs dough with precision. Its turbo loader technology spins heat evenly around your food, so every bite comes out golden and juicy. The ceramic-coated basket is non-stick and super easy to clean. You'll get that deep-fried crunch with up to 95% less oil tight from your countertop. Mornings just got a whole lot tastier. This dual breakfast sandwich maker lets you whip up 2 hot, fresh sandwiches in just 5 minutes. Crack in an egg, stack your favorite ingredients, and let the timer do the work. It even beeps when your meal's ready. The non-stick plates are removable and dishwasher safe, so cleanup's a breeze. Breakfast at home has never been faster or easier. Say goodbye to cluttered spice cabinets. This sleek revolving spice rack keeps all your seasonings organized and within easy reach. It comes pre-filled with 20 essential spices, each neatly labeled in glass jars with removable sifters for precise pouring. The polished stainless steel design adds a touch of style to your counter. Cooking feels smoother when you can grab exactly what you need with one spin. Small kitchen? No problem. This slim toaster fits anywhere without sacrificing power or style. Its long, extra-wide slot handles everything from classic slices to thick sourdough or bagels with ease. You can fine-tune your toast with 6 browning settings and quick reheat or cancel buttons. With easy cleanup and an automatic shutoff, it's the perfect mix of compact design and everyday convenience. Cleaning doesn't have to be exhausting. This electric spin scrubber does the hard work for you, scrubbing away dirt, soap scum, and grime in seconds. With 2 speed settings, you can switch from gentle to deep clean at the touch of a button. It runs up to 3 hours on a single charge and shows you the battery level as you go. 6 brush heads handle every surface bathroom, sink, windows, and more. Cooking just got smarter. This Wi-Fi-enabled pressure cooker does way more than just cook. Connects to an app with hundreds of guided recipes that walk you through every step. The built-in scale measures ingredients for you, no cups needed. It even releases steam automatically when done. From rice and stews to instant one-pot meals, this all-in-one multi-cooker makes dinner effortless and foolproof every time. Meet the vampire who actually loves garlic. This fun little crusher shaped like a spooky countless you mince garlic, ginger, herbs, or nuts with a simple twist. Just pop in the clove, close it, and give it a few turns for perfectly crushed results without the mess or smell on your hands. It's quick, easy, and guaranteed to add a little fang-tactic fun to your cooking routine. Fresh pasta at the push of a button? Yes, please. This electric pasta machine mixes, kneads, and extrudes dough all on its own, giving you perfect noodles every time. With 13 interchangeable molds, you can switch from spaghetti to fettuccine in seconds. It mimics hand kneading for that authentic texture you love. Cleanup's easy too, just dry, tap, and rinse. Homemade pasta has never been this effortless. Cooking just got a dose of humor. This adorable little chicken separates egg yolks and whites by ejecting the egg white through its beak. Grossly cute and oddly satisfying. Just crack the egg inside, tilt, and watch the magic happen. Made of smooth ceramic, it's hygienic, durable, and super easy to clean. It's the perfect quirky gadget to brighten up your baking routine and make you smile. Who said cooking bacon has to be messy? This clever grill lets you cook up to 6 crispy strips at once, no splattering, no flipping. The vertical design drains away grease as it cooks, leaving you with perfectly golden slices every time. When you're done, just remove the non-stick plates and drip tray for a quick cleanup. Breakfast just got a whole lot easier and cleaner for you. Hosting a party just got way simpler. This triple slow cooker lets you whip up 3 dishes at once: appetizers, mains, and even dessert. Each pot has its own temperature control, so you can simmer soup, melt cheese, or keep chili warm without juggling stovetops. Overheat protection keeps things safe, and the included liners mean cleanup's a breeze. You focus on the fun, it handles the cooking.